Alright, let's look at a pre-Christmas trading day scenario. So this is the 23rd. Trading Nasdaq as always. And this is actually, I don't really do live trading stuff too much. But this was a perfect example of how much of an easy opportunity this was to make money off of. So I thought, what the heck, I'll just do an early version. So if we look at a smaller time frame, and we see that we're obviously trading the 23rd, we see we have this consolidation range here, right? Pretty basic. If we look at our daily, right, we can see we have a low, we have a high, we have a mid. Break it up, and as you go to, I like to do the daily, 4 hour, etc. But let's break into this real quick just so we can get a rough idea of how much fun it was to trade. So we have a smile fill here, we have a base there, and if we stretch that out, I like to trade the 15, but I think for this small little thing here, we didn't quite base there. I thought we were going down lower actually. But so here's where it gets fun. We know from a smaller time frame. So this is the 23rd. We have a collapse, right? And we have an up move, a wick, a little shakeout. Then here's our level, right? We can also say that we've kind of have a little bit of a level here. That it's kind of not really shattering. It doesn't really break that level. You can see where it goes down again, comes up, wicks it, holds that level. Now we have a break and a top. We have a down, another move down, then we base here. We go down to another base here, and this is our range for a base, right? We keep hitting this base. It may break it here because this is live, but I thought it would go a little lower for the long. So this for sure for me was a short. I thought we might get a pullback here, which we did, but then looking at the overall move, we attacked it once, attacked it twice. If we didn't break back up to a higher high, which we're not really doing quite yet, but I think we will, I was for the most part thinking we were going to make a downward move to here, which we didn't quite get to yet. And I was basing that off of what was the daily? There's our base there. Yeah, so pretty much meet right in that general area in that wick. So the low of the previous day was here. Where did that hit? That hit almost off of that day. But you can see the pattern, a little bit of a top, bottom. A lot of times it definitely likes to retrace the mid. But today's a partial day, so you're not really sure if we're going to make major moves. That's why I kind of like the smaller time frame sometimes. It really breaks it down, into easy stuff. Or something you can predict a little bit more. So, do a quick up, breaks the base, creates a new high, goes all the way down to here, touches, right? So here we have a double bottom. Teases you, doesn't break, right? More than likely you're going down. And we did go down. That was a beautiful short. I don't know where we're at here. We can shrink it down a bit. Yeah. I always get this confused. But I still think if we don't pull off, I thought we were going down to here and then we're going to spike back up again. But I just wanted to capture a shorter video just for a Christmas type kick. But these short timelines, bang, bang, base, almost the top, a little bit of a base here, break. You know, then we have resistance, resistance, resistance. So you can just see that wedge down. Then this becomes resistance. So we want this to break for the long. And then I thought it just made sense to go short. And I was kind of happy with that, because a lot of times you would think, okay, it's going to go all the way back up, we're going to fill the smile. So, well, we're pretty damn close to filling that, right? Didn't quite fill it, but it did try. I still think we're probably heading down to here, but let's see how the day plays out. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video for now and just make a quick one. But look to break if we don't make a new low on this partial day. You know, let's look for, we want to break this line for a continuation up, but something tells me here. Have a great day. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays.